Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about a problem which is increasingly common these days, which is hypothyroidism. In India alone, more than 4 crore people are affected by this thyroid problem, with women being more at risk than men. Hypothyroidism is a condition that often brings many other problems like fatigue, weight gain, constipation, and even mood swings. Today I am going to walk you through some practical steps to manage these conditions effectively. First thing, you should become aware of what you eat. Among the things that you should consume are sesame seeds or til, which are tiny seeds containing oil. Among other seeds, sesame seed contains selenium, which is a mineral that plays a very important role. Your thyroid gland needs selenium to create hormone T3 and T4. These hormones regulate your metabolism and energy production. With less selenium, your thyroid may not function properly. Sesame seed can be included in your diet very easily. Just roast them a little and then sprinkle them on your vegetables or salads or roti rolls. You can even roll them to laddus with jaggery, and this would be a delicious dish till good. You can grind them and make a paste and prepare a tahini. Next, let us see some asana which is good for thyroid functioning. It is halasana or the plow pose. Let us see how to do this asana. Lie down on your back with your hands beside legs together. First breathe in, and while breathing out, slowly take the support of your hand and lift your legs up, and along with it lift your bottom up and your chest up, and then take the whole legs on your back above your head to touch the floor. And while inhaling, bring your legs slowly back, along with it rest of the body, and be on the floor. This could be done twice. Here, slowly increase the time when you are holding the breath. When you are at the back, when your body is like a plow, this position could be for half a minute to 1 minute. You can see here how halasana presses your throat area. This specially massages your thyroid gland and enhances its functioning. It also improves your metabolic rate, which is usually slow in those who have hypothyroidism. By improving metabolism, halasana can also help you manage your weight. It is true that hypothyroidism sometimes make you feel dull and lethargic. But remember, doing physical activities like yoga asanas can actually increase your energy level. And now let us see how pranayam can help you. There is the pranayam called as Surya Bhedan, or piercing the energy of sun. First, let's see how to do this. To do this pranayam, sit first in any meditative pose where your back is straight, head is straight, and focus on one point. Take your right hand and do Pranava Mudra, and left hand on the respective thigh. Exhale completely. Close both the nostrils. Now open your right nostril, which is Surya Nadi, and inhale deeply. Close both the nostrils and then open the left nostril to exhale completely. Again, repeat this. Close your left nostril and inhale from right. Close both the nostrils and then open your left nostril to exhale. You should repeat this at least for 5 to 10 rounds. Surya Bhedan has a warming effect on your body, and it activates your parasympathetic nervous system. So it helps you to increase your alertness and metabolic activities. By balancing the flow of energy, this pranayam brings balance to your endocrine system to regulate the thyroid gland. And now I'll give you some additional tips to manage hypothyroidism naturally. Whenever you have constipation because of thyroid issue, put hot water bag on your throat as well as on your abdomen. It will stimulate your thyroid gland and ease the assimilation and E is the elimination. And sometimes when you feel in a low spirit, remember it is totally normal. Surround yourself with people who lift up your spirits with their words or action. It is also a good idea to write down 10 good things that happen to you in a journal every day. Accepting your condition isn't always easy, but it is a big step forward. Focus on managing it the best you can. Trust in a higher reality and know that you have been looked after. Taking charge of yourself in a holistic way can really make a difference. Namaskar.